Welcome back to ByteSized Future, the place where we explore how smart tech makes your work easier and faster. Today, we're looking at 10 AI tools that can help you write viral blog posts in just minutes. These tools don't just help you write faster, they help you write better. But to really get the best from them, you need to know how to use them the right way. Let's go through each one and see how you can make them work perfectly for your blog. The first tool is Jasper AI, a favorite among professional writers and marketers. Jasper works best when you give it clear, detailed prompts. The more specific your instructions are, like your topic, tone, and audience, the better the results. It's great for long-form storytelling, helping you write posts that feel natural and human. Jasper also connects with SEO for SEO, meaning you can write blog posts that are already optimized to rank on Google. But remember, AI is a helper, not a replacement, so always edit your work to make it sound like you. Add your examples, thoughts, and emotions. That's what makes content viral and relatable. Next is Copy.ai, a tool built for creativity and catchiness. It shines when you need a blog intro that grabs attention or a headline that makes people click. To use it well, you need to be clear about your goal, whether you want to inform, entertain, or sell. Copy.ai also lets you choose tone and style, which keeps your voice consistent across posts. Once you have your draft, spend a few minutes polishing it. Add real stories or experiences that make your post unique. If you work with a team, Copy.ai's collaboration features make it easy to stay consistent, no matter who's writing. Writesonic is perfect if you want something quick and focused. It can write full blogs from a single keyword or outline. But to make the most of it, always check the SEO suggestions and structure before publishing. Writesonic is great for workflow automation too. You can connect it to WordPress or Zapier, so your posts move straight from idea to draft to publish. Before posting, run an originality check and tweak the flow a little. That human touch makes all the difference. If you care about ranking high on Google, Frase.io is a must-have. It's like having a research assistant built into your writing tool. Frase looks at top-ranking pages and builds a smart outline for you to follow. It helps you cover all the important points that make search engines notice your blog. But don't just copy what's trending. Mix in your own experiences and opinions. That's how you keep your content fresh and unique. And since Frase gives you performance insights, use that data to guide your next blog topics and structure. Scalenut takes things a step further by combining keyword research, SEO optimization, and blog writing all in one place. It's ideal if you want to build a full content strategy, not just one post. To get the best results, write detailed prompts and use its keyword clustering feature to find the best topics. Scalenut's cruise mode makes blog creation super easy, but once the draft is ready, read through it and add your brand style and personality. It also tracks how your posts perform, helping you improve based on what your audience actually reads. For writers who love data, Anyword is a real game changer. It predicts how your writing will perform even before you post it. You'll see performance scores that show how engaging your content might be. Use those numbers as feedback to rewrite weaker sections. Anyword is especially powerful for marketing blogs. You can test different tones, adjust the audience, and instantly see what works better. This mix of AI prediction and human judgment helps create content that's both data-driven and emotionally strong. Our Rytr is one of the simplest tools on this list, perfect for beginners or writers who want quick drafts. It's affordable and easy to use. You just choose your use case, describe your topic, and pick a tone. To make it truly stand out, though, you need to refine the AI output. Add stories, quotes, or short personal examples. Our Rytr works best when paired with your creativity. Its simplicity also makes it easy to fit into any workflow, especially if you write daily. If you want a balance of SEO and creativity, INK is an amazing choice. It gives you a live SEO score while you write, showing exactly how optimized your blog is. Try to reach a score above 90, and then polish the tone and flow to make it sound natural. INK's integration with Google Docs and WordPress keeps your workflow smooth. You can write, optimize, and publish without jumping between tools. Always add your insights to keep your blogs original. That's what readers remember. When SEO is the main goal, Surfer SEO is your best friend. It studies the top pages for your topic and helps you include the right keywords and structure. You can use it with Jasper or Writesonic for even better results. Just remember that SEO is about balance. Don't stuff keywords. Write for humans first, then fine-tune for search engines. Combine Surfer's analytics with your storytelling to create blogs that both rank well and connect emotionally. Finally, there's ContentBot, which is great for automating ideas and first drafts. You can use it to generate blog outlines, plan topics, and even schedule posts. But automation is just the start. You need to step in to polish and personalize what it creates. Add your data, humor, or case studies to make the post truly yours. Over time, analyze which of your AI-assisted posts perform best and use that data to guide future content. That's how you keep improving while saving time. And that's it for today's episode of ByteSized Future. We've just explored 10 amazing AI tools that can help you write viral blog posts in minutes, from Jasper's storytelling power to Surfer SEO's ranking skills. But here's the truth. No tool can replace your unique voice. AI can help you write faster and smarter, but your creativity, emotion, and insight are what truly make a post go viral. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves content creation. And remember, here at ByteSized Future, we make the future simple, one bite at a time.